Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got this beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium and it's from the Fast and Furious set. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is a quick look at the FJ60. I like the paint on this one, so here are the details. And if you don't know about Hotwheels Premium, you will soon learn about this. Stay tuned. So here comes the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. Though it's from Fast and Furious movies, it's not exactly from the main movies, I would say. It's from Hobbs and Shaw, so it's like the spin-off of Fast and Furious characters. But it's always Land Cruiser are always good-looking vehicles, right? So always nice to have one. This paint, especially because of that movie, Hot Wheels has done a different FJ60. I think green, so this is not a new casting, it's a newer paint based on the Fast and Furious movies. Now, if you don't know about premiums, Hot Wheels Premium are, I won't say top of the line, but what you can buy in the store, it's top of the line, because there is a light, there is RLC, those are like top of the line, but in general. So premium compared to a mainline or silver series will have better paint, more details, rubber tires, nicer looking wheels, and a metal base. So we expect those. You're right, it's pricier compared to Matchbox or Hot Wheels mainline. Now, before taking any more of your time, let's focus on the casting. So since it's here, the front, so let's look at the front. So there are a lot of good details here. You can see headlamps are detailed, so is the grille and the turn indicators. You got the classic Toyota badge, like Toyota lettering rather than having that badge. Chrome bumper. You can see both the mirrors, windshield wipers, which are again detailed, which are black, which looks good. You also see the trim around the windscreen, which makes it look good. Now moving to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you've got a lot of good details. Those chunky wheels that look like off-road wheels. So deep dish and off-road tires, rubber tires, plastic wheels. Combination looks really good. I like the paint, turn indicator, grille, door handles, the trim around the windows, everything is detailed, and the B pillar, C pillar, everything is metal. Some of the newer Hot Wheels have B, C pillar in the plastic, mainlines basically. You can also see the trim going around here, the roof rail, and then you have got this vent on the B pillar, Land Cruiser badge, turn indicator. Looks good, I would say. Let's move to the back. So a lot of good details in the back too. You can see the Toyota on the number plate trim, and tail lamps are also detailed. And you've got a 4-wheel drive badge here, and the trim around the rear window too. A chrome bumper finishes everything off. Now moving to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. Was there no fuel filler on the other side either? I don't know if they missed it, or did the FJ60 had a hidden fuel filler? I don't know. So something here, if you notice this body line, it's very classic SUV design. Like the lower portion is slightly coming out, and then you have this single line going all the way from front to down, all the way back. So it's very classic, old school SUV. Interior is finished in black, as you can see. There's no sunroof, only some roof beads. And this is how the base looks. It's metal, has got some details, not a lot of it. But overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Again, it depends if you like Land Cruiser in general or Fast and Furious cars, you're gonna like it. And yeah, I think if you can find one, it should be good to go. Like there's a lot of good details on this one. I don't think you will be disappointed or wanting for more. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.